Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to access Facebook Marketplace. Firstly, open your Android or iPhone device and find the Facebook app on your phone and open it. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now that you're inside Facebook, look at the top or bottom of the navigation bar. Tap on the three horizontal lines icon, which is your menu. This opens the navigation menu, or you can just find the marketplace icon on the Facebook's homepage. It's like a store, just tap on it. If you don't see it right away, scroll down through the menu options and find it. Once inside Marketplace, you can browse categories like electronics, furniture, or vehicles. Use the search bar at the top to find specific items. You can also filter results by distance, price, and item condition. For local ideals, Facebook might ask you to enable your device's location services. Allow this for better nearby item suggestions. And that's it. You're now ready to explore, buy, or sell on Facebook Marketplace directly from your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.